square roots and cube roots. Now in the previous chapter we looked at indices, which means raising a number to its power. Now this is opposite of what we did in the previous chapter, a squared. That's what we did before. Now this time around we are now going to do the a square roots. This expressed as indices also means a raised to power half. We also have cube roots, which is expressed this way, which is a raised to power 1/3. Okay. Then also another thing you need to know is the square. We've explained square before. A times a raised to power 2, or a square. A cube will be a multiplying itself 3 times, which is a raised to power 3. This is a cube, and the opposite is the cube roots. The opposite of this is the square roots. But we don't normally put this 2 here, so just square root of a. Okay. Now examples following this. Let's look at examples. Find the square root of 36. Well, you already know your multiplication table. Square root of 36 is 6 times 6. What number multiplies itself to give 36? That's 6. But now to solve it mathematically, we can do this with 36. We'll express 36 as factors. 2 into this will give you 18. 2 again will give you 9. Then 3 into this 3. Then 3, 1. Now these are the factors. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which is this raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 2. So when we multiply, we'll have it as 2 times 3 is 6 raised to power 2. So 36 is 6 raised to power 2. So the square root of 36 is 6. Now another number, we'll have find the square root of 11,025. So let's break this down. 11,025. Can 3 divide? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 4 plus 1 is that 9. So 3 can divide. So 3 into 11 will give us 3. Carry 2. 6. Carry 2 again. 7. Carry 1. That's 5. So can 3 divide again? 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So 3 can divide. So 3 into 36 will give us 12. 3 into 7 will give us 2. Carry 1. I'll have 5. Now can 3 divide again? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 3 can divide, so let's use 5. 5 into this will give us 2. Carry 2. 4. Carry 2 here. 5. 5 can still divide because the last number ends with 5. So 5 into this will give you 4. It's 9. So what else can go? 7. 7. 7. 1. So the easiest way to find the square root is to bring out 1 from this, 1 from this, 1 from this. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 7 is 63. So the square root of this is 63. Therefore the square root of this equals 63. So this is our final answer. Okay, so assuming we are told to find the cube roots, we'll do, instead of 2, 2, it will now be 3, 3. When you have 3 common numbers, not 3 like this. Let's take an example to illustrate that point, so we won't make the mistake in the exam hall. Okay, so find the cube roots of 3, 3, 75. So the cube root of this, let's break it into factors. 3, 3, 7, 5. Can 3 divide? 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus this is 21. So 3 can divide. So we'll have 11, 1, 1, 2, 5. 3 can divide again. We'll have 3, 7, 5. Can 3 divide? Yes, 3 can divide. 3 will have 1, 2, 5. Can 3 divide? 7, 8. 3 can divide. So let's use 5. 5 into this will give you 25. 5 again, 5. 5 again, 1. So these 3 are common, we'll bring out 1. These 3 are common, we'll bring out 1. So the cube root will now be this times this, which is what? 15. So the cube root of 3375 will now give you 15. Okay, now let's take one other example involving fraction. Find the square root of 4 over 25. Find the square root. This is the same thing as saying square root of 4 all over square root of 25. So square root of 4 is 2, square root of 25 is 5. So this is our answer, 2 over 25. Okay, so find the square root of 5 whole number 4 over 9. So convert this to an improper fraction. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 4 is 49 over 9. We're told to find the square root. Okay, so this is the same thing as saying square root of 49 divided by square root of 9. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 9 is 3. So we'll express this as mixed fraction, which will give you 2 whole number 1 over 3. That's our final answer. Okay, before we go to quiz, we'll look at one final example. Find the smallest number by which 504 must be multiplied in order to make the product a perfect square. What do you understand by a perfect square? A perfect square is a number, or let's put it this way. If it is possible to get the direct square or express the numbers indices, a number is perfect square if it's possible to get the direct square or be expressed in factors with even indices. So one will have a number like 4. 4 can be expressed this way, which is 2 raised to the power 2, and the square root of 4 is 2, so it doesn't leave a fraction or anything, so it's said to be a perfect square. Also 36 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which is 2 raised to the power 2 times 3 raised to the power 2. So it's said to be a perfect square because it's possible to get the direct square or be expressed in factors. 6 raised to the power 2. So let's look at the question. Find the smallest number by which 504 must be multiplied to make the product a perfect square. So 504 is not a perfect square. Let's express it in factors. 2 can go, we'll have 2, 5, 2, 2 can go again, we'll have 1, 2, 6, 2 can go again, we'll have 63, 3 can go, we'll have 21, 3 can go, we'll have 7, then 7 can go, we'll have 1. So this is the factor, so bring out 1. This is a factor, we bring out 1, but this has no pair. This has no pair. So to make the perfect square, we need to bring another 2 to add to this person, and another 7 to add to this 7. So that means we have to multiply this number by 2 times 7, which is 2 times 7 is 14. So we need to multiply it by 14 to make it a perfect square. Now click on Take Quiz to answer all the questions following.